talking about the kind of specialties, additives specialties that you sell and promote in this exhibition.
Yeah, our specialty is additives that are made from vegetable oils. So they are sustainably sourced. They are also, our chemistries are food ingredients. So they can go into food directly. So they're also very safe to use in food packaging. Our additives are mostly anti-stat, anti-fog additives that are used in a variety of different food packaging applications.
So when you say that they are safe enough to eat, so it's because they come from what?
They come from like palm oil, rapeseed oil, soybean oil. That's where they're coming from. So when you make products out of those, that's a sustainable source, but it's also something. It's the same chemistry that you use to make certain food additives. So the additives that we promote here for packaging applications are they can also be added directly to food. So when we sell them as additives for food packaging, the companies, they like our approach because they want safety and they want additives that if you put it into packaging, they can also migrate into food. So that is important for them, that there's nothing migrating into food that is unsafe.
So when you talk about packaging, it can be film, it can be blow molding,
it can be basically anything. And our additives are mostly suited for the polyolefins, so polyethylene, polypropylene. So that's where they work the best. Our additives are added to the polymer and then they migrate to the surface. So they are surface active additives.
Okay.
And that's how they work. So they need to be able to migrate.
Okay.
And that works best in polyethylene and in polypropylene.
Okay. I see that you have anti-fog additives, for example. Can you give me some example where
it's
current
used?
applications
Yeah.
where it's used?
So one very common application is like in salad bags. When you go in the supermarket and you buy a salad in a bag, the salad contains some moisture, and when you put it in the fridge, the water or the moisture will condensate on the packaging, like as small discrete droplets. But you want to avoid that. So you want to modify the surface so that any moisture or water in a packaging doesn't condense on your packaging as droplets, because then you lose transparency. It doesn't look fresh to you as a consumer. So that's what an anti-fog does. It controls water condensation in packaging.
So do your company has present in Mexico?
Palsgaard has a company in Mexico. Yes, we are present in Mexico.
Okay, so we can find you through the agent in Mexico.
You can find us through our sister company in Mexico, and also we sell our products through a company called Novarec. That's our agent in Mexico.
So what do you think about our market?
That looks promising. We've seen over the last few years, we've not been active for many years, but we've seen over the last few years that things are going really well. And Mexican market is not so different from any other market. If you go into the supermarket and look at packaging, it looks basically the same as it does in any other part of the world. So they use the same type of functionality in the packaging as we're used to here in Europe. So of course we need to get into customers and explain that what our products can do, but it's a process, but it's going well. So we think that has a huge opportunity in Mexico.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.